What's going on, Unbox Nation? Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, we will be doing AirPods Pro unboxing and AirPods Pro review. We will tell you everything you need to know about Apple AirPods Pro noise cancelling earbuds. So keep watching until the end. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button. Also, please don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers interested in this product. So let's take a look what's on the inside of the box, guys. Now, the satisfaction of peeling something new is beyond its limits. All right. Okay, so we have everybody's favorite documentation by Apple in California. Apple AirPods themselves. What's underneath this is Apple AirPods silicone ear tips. What we have here is large and small, and I'm assuming the medium is on the AirPods themselves. And then we also have a Lightning to USB-C charging cable. Let's take a look on the AirPods. There we go. And we have the medium silicone tips on them. Let's do the AirPods Pro review now. When we get to the specs, Apple AirPods Pro are stuffed with new audio technology like custom high excursion Apple driver, custom high dynamic range amplifier. Apple AirPods also have a bunch of sensors like dual beam microphones, inward facing microphone, dual optical sensors, motion detection accelerometer, speech detecting accelerometer, and force sensor. All the fancy stuff that we're not gonna get into because this review will just take hours then. AirPods Pro run on H1 based system in package chip. Unfortunately, AirPods Pro not completely water resistant, however they are rated IPX4, which means they are sweat resistant. Apple AirPods Pro are pretty compact and their size is height 1.22 inches, width 0.86 inches, depth is 0.94 inches, and they weigh approximately 0.19 ounce. AirPods Pro case size is height 1.78 inches, width 2.39 inches, and depth is 0.85 inches. And it weighs approximately 1.61 ounces. The charging case works with key certified wireless chargers or the Lightning connector. While others say the battery life on Apple AirPods is mediocre, I think it's actually great. The AirPods Pro charging case will give you over 24 hours of listening time when fully charged and 18 hours of talk time, with each full charge of AirPods Pro getting you 5 hours of listening. That's with noise cancelling or transparency off. You'll get 4.5 hours with it on, or 3.5 hours of use if you use the AirPods Pro as a hands-free mic for calling. After using them, honestly, the battery life felt much longer. The noise cancelling earbuds were in my ears constantly on multiple modes, and I never ran out of battery or had connectivity issues. 5 minutes in the case provides around 1 hour of listening time or around 1 hour of talk time. And AirPods Pro are also connected to your phone by Bluetooth 5.0. Guys, smash that like button if you think the battery life is just perfect on the AirPods, and comment down below if you disagree and tell us why. The design of AirPods Pro is pretty similar to the original AirPods, but are pretty different thanks to new flexible silicone tips. AirPods Pro designed to fit tightly within the ear to allow for noise cancelling technology. While some jokingly compare AirPods Pro to Bellsprout Pokemon, to me they look like Philly's Fanatic nose. No offense, Fanatic, I love you. The silicone tips come in 3 sizes to ensure a comfortable fit in most ears. Apple says the tips have been designed to conform to the contours of each individual ear, offering both comfort and better seal, which is important for noise cancellation. The noise cancelling earbuds tips come in large, medium, and small, and each tip clicks right into the place on the AirPods Pro, making them easy to change. Each tip is internally tapered to conform to the shape of the inner ear to keep the AirPods Pro securely in place. Because the AirPods Pro are wider than the AirPods, the wireless charging case that comes with the AirPods Pro is also bigger. Compared to the original AirPods case that looked like a dental floss, now they remind me of a school lunchbox. Okay guys, all jokes aside now, AirPods Pro have been designed with what Apple is calling an innovative vent system that equalizes pressure within the ear to minimize discomfort that's common in other in-ear designs. Apple says that AirPods Pro are designed to make you feel like there's nothing in your ears, and I think Apple has been able to achieve that based on my own experience. Now let's review AirPods Pro features. AirPods Pro have great audio technology like active noise cancellation, which basically blocks out the outside world so you can focus on what you're listening to. Transparency mode helps you to multitask and be able to hear some of your environmental sounds, but still hear the audio in your AirPods Pro without issues. Adaptive equalizer means that the low and mid frequencies of music are automatically shaped to your ear for more immersive sound. And vent system for pressure equalization. This system helps to equalize pressure within the ear to minimize the discomfort that's common in other in-ear designs. It is a pretty simple process to connect your AirPods Pro to your phone. Like all the AirPods, AirPods Pro instantly connect to your iPhone or iPad. You simply need to open the case to get going. But first you need to make sure that your Bluetooth is on. Once you have the Bluetooth on, just open your case. Press connect. It's asking you to hold the button on the back of the charging case. And now your AirPods are connected. However, you'll need to make sure that iOS 13.2 or higher is downloaded to your device so you can get all the advanced features like the ability to control the transparency and noise cancellation directly from the control center. Once activated, the AirPods Pro will be automatically paired with your phone and all Apple devices linked to your iCloud account, so you won't need to keep connecting your new buds to all your Apple devices. Once connected, you need to go into the Bluetooth settings where you will assess your fit, checking whether the earbud tips you've chosen, small, medium, or large, are creating the right seal. Making sure you have a tight seal against your ear canal is an important aspect of overall sound quality of the AirPods Pro and helps to create physical sound isolation and passive noise reduction. In a perfect world, no sound gets in, no sound leaks out. Now you have to press the ear tip fit test. Grab your earbuds and insert them into your ears. Then press continue. Press the play button. As you can see, guys, I have a perfect ear tip fit results. The seal test is achieved by the playing of a short piece of music with AirPods Pro microphones, internally assessing whether this sounds as it should. If you're like most people and get a good fit, you're given the green light, or green lettering to be more precise. Guys, smash that like button if you like how simple the connection of AirPods Pro is, and comment down below if you have any questions or had any issues with connecting your AirPods Pro. The controls on AirPods Pro are pretty straightforward as well, but could be hard to get used to or get a hang of at first. Press once to play, pause, or answer a phone call. Press twice to skip forward. Press 3 times to skip back. And press and hold to switch between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. Say "Hey Siri" to do things like play a song, make a call, or get directions. Guys, what do you think about the controls? If you have AirPods Pro, comment down below if you had a hard time with getting used to controls or had any issues with them, and smash that like button if you think they're great. First, when AirPods Pro got released, I thought, oh great, here comes another product with not many changes for a higher price. But honestly, sound quality on AirPods Pro is great. Vocals sound really rich, and the bass is more powerful than the AirPods 2. The vocals come through clearly. This shows that mid frequencies are well balanced and rich. Bass sounds really warm too. Part of that sound quality is down to the noise cancellation, which is noticeable and strong when turned on. Apple has placed 2 microphones in the AirPods Pro, allowing for both internal and external sound analysis. The internal monitors the audio quality in the ear to see if the music that you're playing sounds as it should, and alter it accordingly using an algorithm. The external cancels out background noise and creates a far more isolated listening experience. Transparency is the other end of the noise cancelling scale from Apple, with the microphones inside the AirPods Pro able to pass external sound through, allowing you to listen to music and being able to hold the conversation at the same time. And when there's no music playing, you're barely aware that you got headphones in at all. It's a great feature that allows the world to fade slowly in and out when transparency is turned on, rather than suddenly dumping bunch of sound in your ears. Let's talk about reasons to buy or not to buy AirPods Pro noise cancelling earbuds. You should buy AirPods Pro if you're an iPhone user who wants sound quality mixed with convenience. Not only do AirPods Pro sound great, they are very easy to use, especially if you're an Apple ecosystem user. The transparency mode allows you to multitask without taking out and putting in your AirPods Pro every time you wish to speak with someone. Second reason is if you enjoy working out with music and get annoyed by wires getting in the way of your workouts. I honestly think AirPods Pro are great for active people because you do not have wires bouncing around that tangle up around your neck and you barely notice them, which helps you have a better focus on your workouts. Reason number 3 is if you're fed up with the fit of the original AirPods. AirPods Pro are so much more snug and have premium feeling compared to the previous version, and allows you to have your own custom fit thanks to the AirPods Pro tips. And the fourth and final reason to buy the AirPods Pro is if you like to share your audio with your close ones. New AirPods Pro have this great feature where if your friend or family member has AirPods Pro as well, they can simply connect to your Apple iPhone and listen to your playlist while you enjoy your tunes. Now, the reasons not to buy AirPods is because if you're cost sensitive. The AirPods Pro are not cheap, and if you do not wish to spend more than $250, you should look for some other earbuds or try the older AirPods. They're still decent choice for about $100 cheaper. Number 2 is because you're not a fan of wireless headphones. If you're a person that tends to often lose your stuff, these are probably not the best for you, because you'll always have that worry that they might fall out, since you really forget you're using them, especially after you get used to them. Number 3, if you change the volume a lot. AirPods Pro don't have any way to control the volume on them. You must either ask Siri or change volume on the source of the sound. This can be as easy as pressing the volume up or down button on your iPhone, or as difficult as fiddling with the volume on your computer. I could see this being frustrating to someone, therefore you might want to get some other earbuds that have the volume controls. Also, you should not buy the AirPods Pro if you're not the best with getting used to new controls. AirPods Pro, in my opinion, do not have the greatest controls. While they might seem pretty straightforward, it's hard getting used to them, especially if you have large hands like I do. When I first got them, for some reason, when trying to skip to the next track and tapping 2 times on the earbuds just wouldn't skip to my next track and instead would just pause my music. It was very, very frustrating. We'd love to hear what you guys have to say on whether you should or should not buy AirPods Pro. So please comment down below your thoughts. Thank you very much for watching my video about Apple AirPods Pro noise cancelling earbuds, guys. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed it anyway, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers interested in this product. Subscribe and don't forget to smash the bell button to be notified for future awesome helpful content. And remember guys, it does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. So never give up and keep pushing forward.